thanks to an event planner who put on a contest for one lucky winner. Kristen Patton says she wanted to give back to the community, so she came up with the idea of a prom giveaway. Each contestant had to write an essay on why they should be selected, and the winner is senior Micaiah Adams from Central High School. Adams is an honors student and co-president of the Slam Poetry Club. Go girl! She also wrote a very compelling essay which won her that grand prize.
I really talked about how I just wanted one night to kind of relax and have fun with my friends, and how since my mother is a single mother, it may not have been possible, and she would have done it, like, if possible, but it just kind of wasn't. Like, this is very expensive.
And she will get such a memorable send-off with her hair and makeup done, fresh manicure and pedicure, and of course, the whole ensemble, dress, shoes, jewelry, all of it free, thanks to donations from businesses across the area.
Aww.
The weather in 15 seconds.
Everything's for sale, got 5 passports, I'm never going to jail. I made Jesus bucks, I'm never going to hell. Couture never flow, it's never going on sale. Luxury. Dominicano, all the clubs that
trying to get a bag of weed, I'm trying to get a bag of weed. Put it in my savings and invest in the right companies. My dream is like a child and I'm taking all the custody. Obstacles keep slowing me, but that doesn't motivate me. So I take my time cause I'm always where I'm supposed to be. Keep my
safety, so I don't go shoot that with me. I heard that you bullies trying to play me.
Into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Character.